Power up! Hey everybody, my name is Input Nutri and welcome to my Let's Play of Dark Deception. And guess what? I'm not dead. My channel isn't dead. You probably thought I was gonna stop uploading videos and that my channel was just gonna leave at Undertale, but you were all wrong. You're all thinking, Input Nutria? I haven't seen you way back in November. Are you serious? I thought you wouldn't upload another video. What are you doing in 2020, man? Well, I've been thinking about what games to play ever since I got stuck on that Undertale boss fight against Undyne, which was really tough because I have a lot of games, and most of them were a little bit tricky to decide on which to play. And then I thought, maybe I should play Dark Deception. This game has been, had good reviews with its good chapters, because it's an episodic game, which isn't completely finished. And I might have played this game before, but it has 3 chapters right now, and it's kind of like Bendy and Ink Machine because it keeps has a good story and it runs on chapters. And I just want to play this game and see what exactly how it's so popular. And I've heard it's a really good game, and I'm just gonna jump into a new game and see what this story's all about.
Deception.
That intro though, it's like we're playing Resident Evil or something, because you don't have to announce. I know I'm playing Dark Deception. It is done. What did you do? Now my faith lies in darkness. ... Well, that's not creepy at all. Well, this is a horror game. Who's this? Bierce. Okay. Oh, hello there. Your
another one. How
things
nice
are
to
showing.
have some company again.
Well, thank you.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
All right. I'm pretty close.
You
I don't know why
disappoint
you.
me, love.
I'm really
You
in front of
really
your
do.
face. Oh,
So
come on.
many
You don't have to boo me. I'm
So
doing my
many
best.
desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
Excuse me. Excuse me, really?
Don't look so confused.
I can't help my size,
I
lady.
know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours.
What are you, a psychic?
I know all the terrible things you've done.
What did I do?
So
Am I a
many
serial killer? Did I
good
kill people?
Intentions laid to
Oh,
waste.
just the thought of it just makes me want
I see
to.
the regret eating away at your soul.
Yeah, I know. I will
But
regret.
now your time has come,
Sometimes.
and here you
Like the
are.
stuttering I do in
to
my
grovel
videos.
and beg.
Yeah,
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now.
that is true.
Fear not,
Death
love.
comes eventually.
You've got potential. I see
thank
it in
you.
and I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
Don't we all have to suffer? So am I in purgatory when she says that? Cause she's saying that I've done some bad things and now I'm here. I guess it was some kind of purgatory.
The
Abuse
pieces
is
to a
ballroom.
powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind
Oh, I
each
am
of
in
these
purgatory. Look at
portals.
this. This is an endless
Find
void.
them
It's all
and bring them
cracked.
to me.
There's
And
portals
you'll get
too.
your wish.
Hi, Beers.
Fail, and you'll
I
find there are
just think
fates
she's
far worse than
overly
death awaiting you here.
attractive. I don't know why. The developer decided to. Oh,
Sticking
it's a monkey. Nightmare monkey. Hold on. I want to check the settings because I do know that you can set it to easy. So I'm just gonna set it to easy because I know I should set it to normal if I want to if I want the game to be better at because I've heard that the developer said that if I have it on normal difficulty and I want to complete the game at the true ending, I have to go back on normal difficulty. Or if it's the other way, I have to get an S rank on every level. But I'm just gonna leave it on easy because I've heard this game can have really difficult levels, especially in the 3rd level, where there's a bunch of statues falling around and there's a bunch of traps and you gotta avoid them and all. But I'm just gonna put it on easy so that it's way more easier for me. And I'm just gonna go through here. And this is not almost small. You think I'd be playing PT in this hallway? There's voices on the other side of this door. How do I like it? Well, I have to get into the unknown. Monkey business. Weird. It's like a hotel. Like Luigi's Mansion 3. Yeah.
What a
I've played that
charming
game
little
a little
hotel.
bit. What's this?
Bring back any memories?
No, are you saying I've been here before? I don't remember being in this hotel. Ah! Don't scare me like that. I didn't know. How was I supposed to know that would happen? There's a sort of purple crystal, Crash Bandicoot crystal on here. I don't know why that's there. And there's like a portal, the symbol on the floor, the monkey. Oh, hello. Aren't you a bag of ah! Are you serious? Are you serious? Like, a couple minutes in already with the jump scares. Give it the times, man. Oh, is that a monkey? It's a monkey. Oh, nope. I'm out of here. Nope. 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 Having a new life is not worth it. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Come on. Let me out. Let me out. I guess I have no choice. I'm gonna die because of this. I hope you're happy, Pierce. You're gonna get me killed by this monkey. I'm just gonna rush. Well, that was a bit anticlimactic. He just screamed at me and just ran away. Coward! Come and face me like a man! Or monkey. Whatever! Is he coming back? Oh, he's definitely gonna come back. He's gonna be like, what did you say? And he's gonna come out with me. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. Oh! Not there. I guess I'm going in here.
Going up?
No, I'm going sideways. What? Of course I'm going up. Jeez. Well, I'm just kidding around. What else? Ah, dark. Figure I'd be playing Final Fantasy sister location with this.
Now listen closely.
Okay.
See those floating bits of crystal?
You mean that?
Those are soul shards.
Oh, I thought those Crash Bandicoot
Fragments
crystals.
of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
So I'm gonna be collecting them like
Each
Pac-Man.
crystal is a remnant of one.
Look at that. Look at that
who has
angle.
met their end here.
I think that was done
Gather them
intentionally.
all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Sweet.
One more thing. You're not alone.
I'm not.
There are monsters in here.
I mean,
and
these
they're
guys?
looking for you. Here, you'll need this.
Oh.
It can detect
Tablet.
each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here.
Well, that was just pointing.
Very clever.
A little
girl,
harmless.
just not
Oh.
a very fast runner. Enough
Yeah.
instruction.
Well, she ain't
Break
Sonic.
those boards and
Neither
let's
am
get
I.
this party started.
What if I don't want to get this party started? We're not in like a ballroom or anything. We were just in one. I guess I'm gonna have to. Ah! Knock knock. Who's there? Is it a monkey? I can't. I'm trying to let you out, man. Well, I'm guessing it's not a monkey. Then, guess I'm just gonna have to brave it. Have to run. Ah, no. Oh, is that a kitchen? Ah, no, monkey. Bad monkey. Guess I'm gonna have to run. Okay. I've heard this place has jump scares, so I'm gonna be extra cautious. I don't want to get jump scared. Oh, what's this?
I don't remember this being.
Weird. I got an extra. That's sweet. Anyways, I believe this is a safe room, so I'm just gonna wait out here until the monsters come and see. Ah, it is a monkey. Hey, you wanna fight? Well, bring it. Come on, I ain't scared of you.
Run!
Coward. I'm just gonna. Well, yeah. Ah! There was a monkey in the door. Didn't get me though, which is pretty sweet. I got an extra, which is nice. Those lights are flashing. I just don't want those monkeys to jump scare me. I don't like jump scares. I don't like being jump scared. This is like Pac-Man. Yeah, it's kind of like Pac-Man, except you don't see the ghosts until they eat your face off. Okay. Well, this is like horror Pac-Man. Five Nights at Pac-Man's. Yeah. Because there's animatronic monkeys and stuff. Wait, can I get through here? I can. It's another secret, just like before. wait for the monsters again. I'm gonna wait for them again. You know, cause kind of like sitting here is kind of like fun as a Freddy's, where you have to like keep them out of your office. Oh, there you are. You ain't wanna fight with Brennan. You can't get in the doorway. Oh, you wanna eat my face? Oh, look at my face. Mmm, so delicious. You want some of this, huh? Well, you can't get it. Also, there seems to be only one monkey. Why? Well, there's another one coming. I can hear its footsteps. Also, I think there might be a glitch where they can get you through the wall. Ah! Well, that was not fun. No, thank you. No, no, no. Ooh, there's a shard that reveals the enemy's location. I'm getting that for sure. Anyways, they're down there, so they shouldn't be able to get me, which is good. So now I can see the enemies, which makes it a little less claustrophobic. Oh, he's coming from that direction. Good thing I have the reveal sword, because I can see where they are. Otherwise, this would not be good. Okay, it's coming through that way, so I'm just gonna... I haven't died once yet, so that's good.
I'm impressed. I would have thought you'd have
You
been
shouldn't underestimate one's power, Beers. Oh no, what am I doing? Ooh, stun, 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 stun. Yeah, that stuns the enemies, which is good. I'm just gonna get him before... Can I swoop past you? No, I can't. So I'm just gonna... Well, now I got reveal and stun, but I won't be stunned for long. I do know you can stun them. Because like I said, I might have played this before. I won't tell though. I might have played this before, or I might have just read about it. But I'll not tell. I don't want to spoil the thrill for you guys. Just gonna collect these shards, and I'm doing really good here. And I think there's another secret room. Is this another secret? Oh, I've already been here before. Well, then I'm just gonna wait for these guys. And I haven't died once yet, which is good. I'm at 98. Just waiting for these guys. There's a tipped over monkey sign, like before, except it's already tipped over. The last one just jump scared me. Is it still real? I'm just gonna grab this next one before, just to be safe. Now I have 97, which is better. I don't know where they are, which is scary. They could come out at any minute. Ugh. It's like they know I'm hiding, so they're waiting me out, which is not a pleasant experience. Oh, here they are. I feel like coming. Which makes it less stressful because I can just hide it. Whoa! I think they were coming from behind. Could have got me through a glitch with the walls. Yeah, I know it's here, but it's not it. It's a clown. That's not a clown, that's a monkey. Dude, are you just waiting me out? Ah! Well, that backfired. Well, I got a quadruple jump scared. Now I have only 2 lives left. Jeez. Well, it's not a total disaster. It does save, so I can still get these shards. Not gonna die tonight, no siree. Not gonna die tonight. Oh boy, I'm a little nervous. I'm afraid to talk because I need to hear. Oh, this is the same hiding spot. I'm just gonna wait here and be safe. Wait for the monsters to come out and show themselves. Wait for the monkeys. I can press Z, which zooms in, by the way. Hi there, Mr. Monkey Man. He's like, has his hands over there. I don't know what's going on. Oh, there you are. That almost got me. I'm like right here. It's coming for me. What are you gonna do, huh? I'm right here. Come on, kill me. I'm right here. There's 3 of them. I can hear the other one. What's taking it so long?
can't find more souls. Why don't you ask the monster? Maybe it's seen.
Well, first of all, it's monsters, and second, if I do, it'll just rip my face off. But if you insist, excuse me, do you know where I can find any soul shards? Well, that's rude. You're not talking to me. Rude. Fine, I don't want your help anyway. Okay, dude, don't need to get so emotional about it. No. Oh no, they cornered me! I'm almost dead. You know what, that's it. If I die one more time, then I'm just gonna, you know, end the video there, because this video's been, I was saying this video's been pretty long in and of itself. This is very stressful. I do not like stress. Dude. I'm having trouble with the mouse because it's very crowded with the mouse. I don't have a very mouse room. Like, dude, this is like the stressful of all stresses. If I die one more time, I'm ending it. Coming from that direction. They're coming from that direction, I can feel them. If I die one more time, I'm ending it. No, wait. I just have to go. I'm done hiding. Don't wait for the monster to get to me. Now I'm going in like a man. I have 28 now. It's pretty good. Nope. Not dealing with this today. Oh, I can hear them. Nope. Done dealing with this. I have 18. I died. Where did that come from?
You are dead.
I'm dead. So disappointing. Anyways, there's the last checkpoint, which obtaining S-rank is not possible last checkpoint. So yeah, as I said, last checkpoint's pretty much. And now I have to get elect all over again. Disappointing. Anyways, that was my Let's Play of Dark Deception. Break the boards. Yeah, I knew that already. Anyways, make sure to comment down below to let me know if you want me to play more of this game. And if I can actually beat it, let me know in the comments below that, and give me some courage and some motivation for me to beat this. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. Make sure to smash the like button down below. Make sure to ring the notification button so you never miss when a new video comes out. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.